Welcome to the basics of railway signalling. Hello, my name is Roy Thompson. I started to work on Britain's railways back in 1962 and for the first 4 years saw off the last of steam train services as a fireman on steam and working as a second man on diesels. I left and then restarted my career on the signalling engineering department as a labourer in the mechanical gang. I wanted to move on in the department, but I had no knowledge at all of electricity and magnetism. The one thing I did have, though, was an understanding of railway signalling from my days on the footplate. This helped me in applying the principles of railway signalling as I learned electricity and magnetism, and with the help of my colleagues, I worked my way through the grades of assistant technician, technician and senior technician, involved in the maintenance and fault finding of railway signalling. I then moved into training and became an instructor teaching signalling engineering. This became my working life. I've been involved in training now for over 40 years. I have never forgotten those days of learning railway signalling engineering, and following the privatisation of British Rail, I designed a course called Basic Signalling Principles and Associated Circuitry, which covered all the elements of learning that I wish had been available to me when I first started. It was designed in a distance learning or open learning format and was divided into 5 sections. The basics of railway signalling, signalling diagrams, sketches and plans, basic signalling and lighting circuitry, track circuits and points. The course covers the first section, this course, the basics of railway signalling. This is a section that I brought with me on my days on the footplate and helped me so much in my learning progression in railway signalling engineering. This course will benefit anyone who wishes to have an understanding of railway signalling. It will provide an understanding of the system, enabling anyone wishing to enter or in the early stages of their career in signalling engineering. It is also a course for any rail enthusiast or those involved in model railways who would benefit from a greater understanding of railway signalling. This course can broadly be divided into 2 sections: mechanical signalling, explaining signals, the absolute block system, routes involving points, levers and mechanical interlocking, and multi-aspect signalling, explaining 3 and 4 aspect signals, route indications, track circuit block including controlled, automatic, semi-automatic signalling and other types of signals, and finishes with automatic warning system. Remember, no knowledge of electricity and magnetism is required for this course. The sections of the course are run in like a classroom style format with detailed explanation of slide format presentations. There is a short story reading exercise and 2 self-assessment exams provided. Basic Signalling Principles and Associated Circuitry is now available in 5 ebooks, 1 for each of the sections. But the Basic Signalling Principles covered in this course are provided in PDF format as the first book in those series of 5. You get that with this course as reading material.